Unlocking the Secrets of Time-Sensitive Deals, a guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase that you might encounter in everyday life, especially in the world of shopping and offers: time-sensitive deal. This phrase holds the key to understanding many promotional offers, so let's unlock its secrets together. A time-sensitive deal refers to a special offer or discount that is available for a limited period. The word time-sensitive implies that the deal has an expiration date or a deadline, and you must take action before this time runs out. These deals are designed to encourage quick decisions and purchases, often seen in various sectors like retail, travel, and online services. Businesses often create time-sensitive deals for several reasons. Firstly, it creates a sense of urgency, compelling customers to act quickly. This urgency is based on the fear of missing out, FOMO, a powerful motivator in consumer behavior. Secondly, it helps businesses clear out inventory, attract new customers, or boost sales during slower periods. By understanding this strategy, you can make more informed decisions when encountering such deals. To make the most out of time-sensitive deals, it's crucial to recognize the signs and read the fine print. Look for phrases like limited time offer, offer ends soon, or specific deadlines mentioned in the promotion. Planning and research are key. If you're aware of what you need or want to buy, you can quickly decide when a deal comes up. Additionally, subscribing to newsletters and alerts from your favorite brands can keep you in the loop about upcoming promotions. Understanding time-sensitive deals can significantly enhance your shopping experience, allowing you to grab the best offers before they expire. Remember, while these deals can be very tempting, it's important to consider whether the purchase fits your needs and budget. We hope this video has shed light on how to navigate time-sensitive deals effectively. Thank you for watching, and happy deal hunting!